Hi, I'm Colleen Mullaney for ehow.com, and I have a great, healthy, Halloween-inspired snack to share with you today. It's so easy to make, and it's such a crowd pleaser. You're going to take some tortillas that you find at the grocery store, and they have so many different flavors now. They have sun-dried tomato flavors, jalapeno, they have whole wheat, whole grain. So there are some healthier choices for you to choose for your family. And I have I'm going to use the sun-dried tomatoes. And I'm going to take just a regular cookie cutter. Now this has a metal edge, and these really work so much better when you're trying to dig through the tortillas than the plastic cookie cutters I find. You get a really nice, clean, sharp edge. So with the metal cookie cutter, you can actually line up about 3 tortillas, and you just put it in the corner, and you push down, and you just want to shake and just kind of rub the cookie cutter until you actually hear the surface below, whether you have like a cutting board or your counter if you have hard counters, and that way you know you made a clean cut. And you just want to lift it up, and then you have 3 great leaf shapes. There we go. Oh yeah, I lost an edge. Okay, so there you have 3 great leaf shapes. And what you're going to do is just continue cutting out all of these tortillas. And if you work around, you find you don't have that much waste. But what I love to do with the crusts, I call them, just cut them into little bits, fry them up. You can stick them in Ziploc bags in the freezer. You can use them on salads and soups. They're really perfect. So once you have all your tortilla shapes, and you can use any shape you'd like, but I love this leaf shape, so I'm going with all leaves all the time today. And so into a frying pan, you fry them with about 1/2 cup of the vegetable oil, and it takes 2 to 3 minutes. You just fry them up, and you put them out on paper towels to drain, and you're all set. And you continue on until you have enough leaves and enough, holiday shapes that you want. And over here I have my plate finished. I've arranged them so they kind of look like a little wreath. And I love the different colors. I have, the carrot and the sun-dried tomato and the whole grain. So you have a whole bunch of different shades. So it really does look like autumn on your platter. Now in the center, I just have some organic salsa to keep everything healthy and on the lighter side. And there you have a great Halloween-inspired healthy snack. Thanks for watching. I'm Colleen Mullaney.